Let's check out this absolute masterpiece together. Step back into the 1970s with the vintage Bauer S207XL Super 8 movie camera, complete with its original case, microphone, and user manual. Taking a closer look at the mechanics, this Bauer S207XL is in fantastic working condition. The powerful Bauer Macro Neovaron 7 to 45 millimeter lens is clean and clear. The zoom motor is smooth in both automatic and manual modes, and the internal light meter is responsive. Even the battery compartment is spotless. While the body shows some honest, authentic signs of wear consistent with its vintage age, technically, this Super 8 camera is ready to shoot. This is a complete collector's bundle. It comes with the original leather carrying case, the original microphone, and even the original German user manual. Everything you need to experience genuine vintage filmmaking is right here in one package. For the collector, the filmmaker, or anyone who appreciates classic German engineering, this Bauer Super 8 outfit is a rare find. It's more than just a vintage item, it's a functional piece of history ready to create new memories. Don't miss your chance to own this complete iconic set. Check the description below for details on how to make it yours. Whether you plan to display it proudly on your shelf or take it out into the field to shoot authentic film stock, this piece bridges the gap between past and present. Grab your film rolls and let the storytelling begin. With its distinct design and reliable build, holding this camera feels like stepping straight onto a classic film set. It's an incredible conversation starter and a true testament to the golden era of analog cinema. Every detail reflects the precision of vintage craftsmanship. From the tactile feedback of the dials to the smooth action of the mechanisms, using this camera is a truly immersive tactile experience. Setting up is effortless. Just load up your standard Super 8 film cartridge, double-check your settings, and you are ready to capture the warm, nostalgic tones that only real film can deliver. Preserving the past has never been this rewarding. Step into the analog world and discover the unique magic of shooting on true celluloid film. If you are ready to own this piece of cinematic history, check the description box below for contact details and pricing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more vintage camera showcases.